How to buy UC with Apple gift card. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy UC with Apple gift card. So let's get started. So UC are basically the tokens that you can redeem in PUBG mobile game, and you can use them in order to buy different offers and prices and also different inventory items. So first of all, you gotta head over to your app store. In this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So head over and open Google Play Store if you're using Android, and open App Store if you're using the iOS device. So you're gonna head over, click on today, and then you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom. If you're not able to find the bottom anytime quickly, you're gonna just keep on scrolling, and till the bottom of the section you'll be able to see an option that says redeem. So you're gonna simply click on redeem. If you're not having Apple gift card and you wish to redeem UCs using your Apple account, you're gonna add funds to Apple account. However, if you're having a physical Apple gift card, you're gonna simply click on redeem. And once you do so, you'll be taken to another page where you're gonna either take the picture of the card or you're gonna add the number manually. So redeem your gift card using the camera on your device. This requires a gift card with a box around the code as shown here. So you can use your camera, you can also enter your code manually. You gotta first scratch the code from your card, and then you can either take a picture of it or you can type down the code manually. And once you do so, you're gonna simply click on redeem, and that's it. That amount of credits will be added to your account, and then you're gonna simply head over to your PUBG and then buy UC, and then you'll be redirected to your app store, and then you can simply verify your identity and pay them. So that was how you can buy UC with Apple gift card. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.